Replacing a garage door can seem straightforward, yet it hides complex challenges and potential hazards underneath it. The essential functions of a garage door include security, insulation, and convenience, making its condition crucial. Before deciding to replace a damaged garage door, consider if repair could restore its functionality effectively. In Flower Mound, Texas, homeowners often wonder if they can tackle garage door replacement as a DIY project. Understanding the many interconnected components of a garage door is vital for deriving its smooth operational capability. High-tension springs are one major hurdle in garage door replacement and can pose severe safety risks if mishandled. Weight and alignment are critical. Even slight misalignment can lead to operational issues or damage surrounding structures. Many overlook the need for specific tools and expertise when attempting a garage door replacement on their own. Hiring professionals offers peace of mind by ensuring proper installation and avoiding risks associated with DIY efforts. Compromising on installation can lead to costly repairs. Safeguard your investment by choosing seasoned garage door experts.